Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings now, press the Windows key and type Settings, then hit Enter. Navigate straight to Accounts and then to Lock Screen or Sign-in options depending on your Windows version. Once there, choose the background option labeled Picture or Browse to select an image. Make sure the file is JPG or PNG and at least 1920 by 1080 for good quality. If you're on a laptop with multiple displays, pick the monitor you want the lock screen to match. Once you've clicked Browse and selected a photo, preview it immediately so you confirm composition. If Settings offers Crop, Fit, or Fill, choose Fill for full screen coverage or Fit to avoid clipping. This affects how your face or subject appears. Apply the change by pressing Choose Picture or Save, then make sure to toggle any lock screen app status you want visible. You should test by locking the laptop briefly. Press Windows key plus L to verify framing and legibility before you proceed. Finish by locking the screen to confirm the change. Press Windows plus L and inspect the image and any overlays. If the photo reverts or Windows Spotlight replaces it, switch the lock screen setting from Spotlight to Picture and reapply your image. If an enterprise or group policy prevents changes, contact your admin or check the local group policy editor under Administrative Templates. Make sure policies aren't enforcing a default. Finally, restart if needed. That often resolves caching conflicts with the lock screen image.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.